So when you walk in, there is the living room. The light switch controls the lights. TV here goes into the dining room. And so the sunroom is still kind of a mess right now, but it's kind of we're dealing with. Yeah, so that's the living room one more time. And straight ahead here, there's a bathroom with a walk-in shower. So little cabinets here. The showers have these handlebars and a little seat. It's a small bathroom, but a good full bath. So here's the kitchen. Everything, there's central air, so there's a thermostat for downstairs and upstairs. So we have like pots and pans down here, like colanders, toaster, and then up here is kind of, we have some like tea, Wi-Fi password, microwave, coffee pot, and like a hot water heater for teas. There's a side door right here to go outside. And then there's also a first floor bedroom. This one has a queen size bed. So there's a little closet here. And dresser. And that just leads us right out to the front door with stairs going upstairs.